The Second Empire lighting design is a style of lighting that was prevalent during the Second French Empire. This was a time of great artistic and cultural development in France, and lighting design played an important role in these changes. In this video, we will explore the history of Second Empire lighting design and the key features and characteristics that define this style. The Second French Empire was a time of rapid industrialization and urbanization. This period saw the introduction of new technologies and materials, including gas lighting and electricity. These developments had a significant impact on the design and function of lighting during this era. While Second Empire lighting design was largely influenced by the neoclassical and Baroque styles of the preceding era, it also incorporated new techniques and materials. Gas lighting, for example, allowed for the creation of more elaborate and decorative lighting fixtures. This led to the creation of exquisitely detailed chandeliers and sconces that would become iconic pieces of Second Empire lighting design. The most distinctive features of Second Empire lighting design were its ornate designs, large scale, and use of rich, luxurious materials. Chandeliers were particularly popular during this period, and they often featured intricate metalwork, crystal or glass accents, and elaborate scrolling or floral motifs. Sconces were also commonly used in Second Empire lighting design. They were often paired with chandeliers to provide additional lighting and to enhance the decorative effect of the overall lighting scheme. Sconces were typically made of brass or other metals and decorated with ornate scrollwork and other decorative elements. In addition to chandeliers and sconces, Second Empire lighting design also included other types of lighting fixtures, such as table lamps and floor lamps. These fixtures were typically made of porcelain or other high-end materials and featured elaborate designs and decorative elements. Second Empire lighting design was characterized by the use of high-quality materials. Metals such as brass, bronze, and copper were commonly used, as were crystal and glass. Many lighting fixtures were also adorned with semi-precious stones, such as amethysts or topaz. However, Second Empire lighting design was not just about opulence and luxury. Sustainability was also an important consideration during this era. As such, many of the lighting fixtures were designed to be energy efficient, using gas or other non-electric technologies. Another key feature of Second Empire lighting design was the use of bold colors and patterns. Ornate chandeliers often featured brightly colored accents or glass beads, while sconces might be draped with colored ribbons or other decorative elements. The overall effect was one of opulence and grandeur, with lighting fixtures designed to enhance the surrounding decor. Some of the most popular colors used in Second Empire lighting design included gold, which is a symbol of wealth and prosperity. Gold was a popular color for lighting fixtures during this era. Red, that is often associated with passion and excitement. Red was another popular color used in lighting fixtures. Green, the color of nature and growth. Green was a popular choice for lighting fixtures that were used in outdoor spaces or other settings that relied on natural light. Lastly, blue, which is a calming and soothing color. Blue was often used in Second Empire lighting design to create an atmosphere of tranquility and relaxation. The Second Empire lighting design was a style of lighting that emerged during the Second French Empire and was characterized by ornate, opulent designs, the use of high-quality materials, and a bold color palette. This era saw the introduction of new technologies such as gas lighting and electricity, which had a significant impact on the design and function of lighting fixtures. Today, Second Empire lighting design continues to be a popular choice for homeowners and designers who want to add a touch of elegance and glamour to their interiors. Whether you prefer a classic, ornate chandelier or a more modern take on this iconic style, Second Empire lighting design is sure to enhance any interior design scheme. Be sure to like this video and click to subscribe to see more content.